Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here and want to join the family, I pretty much release videos on how to make money online and how to make money offline. So if you guys are here and want to join the family, hit that subscription button down below. And if you enjoy any part of today's video, I'd recommend you give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate the support so much. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys kind of a copy and paste method of making money online in terms of using kind of this online arbitrage system. It's pretty popular. I mean, it's not too publicized, but I have been able to watch other people become very successful in this industry. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's get right into it. So as I told you guys before, we're going to be kind of digging deep into how to make money with some sort of niche in the retail arbitrage, but it's not really retail, but more online arbitrage kind of system. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to kind of pair SEO clerks and YouTube together in terms of being able to make money. And as you can tell with the title of the video, as I said, it's kind of a copy and paste system. It doesn't take a lot of knowledge. It just takes up a little bit of your time in the beginning to kind of set up a system where you can get people consistently coming in, having a review base on these platforms. And once that starts to happen, probably within a month or two, I can almost guarantee you're probably gonna make about $100 a day using this system. Obviously, it depends on how you price your services, but I mean, it's a pretty kind of A and B system. There's not too much to it. So getting right into it, the first website that you guys are going to need is called SEOclerks.com. If you don't know what it is, it's basically just a website that will gain you some sort of traction on some sort of platform. So it could be things like gaining Instagram followers, SoundCloud listeners, Telegram chat users. Like it honestly could be anything you guys can think of. Like if you guys haven't checked it out, I recommend that you guys go scroll through it yourself. But you guys can see here on my computer, this is what SEO Clerks looks like. And basically what you want to do is we're going to try to find a very specific niche in terms of the type of service that they provide. So if you guys go down here, I pretty much do the same thing yourself. You'll probably get the same results whenever you're watching the video. But let's go down here to rating, and we're just going to look at which are the top rated profiles on here and what they're promoting. So obviously the top one, you see a lot of YouTube promotion. I honestly recommend don't put any traffic towards a YouTube channel. Don't be the person that has that kind of service where you're promoting YouTube kind of marketing and stuff like that, because you can very easily get demonetized on that platforms. A lot of the other ones we're going to talk about in today's video are a little bit more, or a lot more lenient, I should say, in terms of taking you on and off. YouTube is very harsh because now you have to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 YouTube subscribers. So I don't recommend having that kind of service. But we can see here, let's kind of go down and see at 1,000 fast followers. So this guy has 4,447 likes. Again, it's probably going to be a lot more when you watch this video. A bunch of 5-star reviews, level X, and obviously the likes and dislikes is pretty good. Costs $3, so 1,000 plus super fast, high quality profile followers in just $3. Kind of looking at the features: improving SEO rankings of accounts, attract more followers, no ban, 100% safe method, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, 24/7 customer support. And then I could go ahead here and kind of add these extras if I want for an extra $3 kind of increments, and you guys can see here for yourself. But looking at the ratings, again, a bunch of good ones. I ordered 10K successful. Let's see here. Best service, A+ service, received 1,000. Obviously there's going to be one or two down comments here and there because people put in wrong information. But I know a lot of you are kind of wondering, what the heck is this going to do for me? How are you going to make money off of it? Well, again, this is called kind of online arbitrage. And so what you're probably already thinking is, how do I make money being the middleman in this kind of situation? So if we take some guy like this, $3, 1,000 fast profile followers, it doesn't say what platform, but they're probably Instagram, Twitter, maybe some SoundCloud. I don't really know, maybe a couple other ones, stuff like that. But go over here and we're going to go to ebay.com. So if you guys haven't set up an eBay account already, I recommend you go create one. I think you have to create a merchant account. I don't really know how that works, but with that said, you want to look for what, like, the other side of the service on this platform. So here it was $3. Let's go look like what it would cost on something like this. So Let's go followers Instagram. I kind of did a little bit of research before this video as well, so I can make this as kind of to the point as possible. We can see here Instagram service by followers. Obviously, if they're the top one here, they're doing pretty well. So we can kind of see what they're doing. So if we go over here, click select, let's see how many 1,000 followers would be. So I think that's Canadian dollars. I'm not too sure, but US, that's about $10.28. So they're gonna be banking about $10.28 per order on that thing. And so if we go here, 1,000 followers for $3, you can kind of see there's kind of a difference there. So they're probably making about, if you did the retail or the online arbitrage of that, you're probably making about $5-6 per order. And so what you can basically do in this situation is go ahead, make an eBay account, do some, pretty much emulate this exact thing. You can almost copy this kind of thing where you can have different kinds of stacking. So this one has 200 Instagram followers, 500 Instagram followers, 1,000. You can kind of go up, and what you're basically going to do is every time somebody orders through your eBay store, you're going to go ahead and literally just go order from this website. It says the turnaround time is about 3 days, average 2, response time is 15. So obviously on top of his kind of business, that's why I recommend in the beginning that you guys go ahead and look for top rated profiles. Therefore, you being the middleman isn't going to get affected where they're not going to get the followers or they're untrusted sellers. So definitely use a very trusted seller on SEO Clerks. Probably over 1,000 reviews or 1,000 up comments, I'd say, would probably dictate a legitimate seller on that platform. But going back to eBay, you can easily go create this, or go to Fiverr, maybe have somebody else create the marketing kind of pictures for this. Obviously you want to make it look professional, but this guy, by SEO 19 or whatever, has 74 reviews. So 74, look, he has 74 reviews and 74 sold. I honestly, I don't know if that's a coincidence or not, but he probably has every single one of those be a person that bought this Instagram service. So it might be where he just had a lot more, it's just convenient right now. But with that said, there's a good chance that he's getting a lot of reviews per one of these things, and it's an easy review for people. So with this kind of service, you can build up your eBay account pretty easily. And with eBay, it basically goes through PayPal, so you're getting paid that way. So if you guys don't have a PayPal already, you should definitely set that one up as well. But definitely create that eBay profile. And you can, like as I said before, you don't have to do just 1,000 followers. You can keep adding these. You guys saw here where you can actually add more followers as well. And again, this doesn't need to be with Instagram or anything like that. It could be with SoundCloud, Twitter, Facebook likes. It could pretty much be any service, and you can offer multiple of them. It's probably a lot of these sellers here, you can probably click on their profile, the Cyber X Crime. You probably have services for all those kinds of platforms as well, so you might be able to go through the same person. But again, somebody's just going to order on eBay, you're going to go ahead, again, it's this copy paste system. Put your order into here, give them the profile name that the person bought from you on eBay, and go ahead and just bank on that kind of online arbitrage system. So again, it's very copy paste. This isn't such a complicated thing. I didn't want to make this video too long, but I wanted to give you guys kind of the in-depth kind of how to do it, pretty much every step that you're going to need to do it. And I know a lot of you, I'm going to get comments probably like, you run the risk of being the middleman arbitrage. That happens in any industry. You're going to take the risk for it, but obviously that's why I said use trusted sellers on the back end of SEO Clerks. Don't go with people that could potentially scam you, and then you have to take the legal liability of somebody on the other end that ordered on eBay. You get a negative review and stuff like that. So definitely don't take the risk with that. Even if it might be $1 extra to use somebody that has a lot more reviews, it's definitely worth it in the long run. You're going to build good business that way. And I mean, if you want to consider this kind of unethical or anything like that, you should just look up retail arbitrage. It's the same thing. We're just doing it online. So I can promise you, you can probably make at least $100 a day doing this. You kind of can dictate your profit margins as well, but you should be competitive with it. You saw this guy, I mean, for 1,000 followers, about $10 US. That's probably why he's ranked really well. There's probably other people that do $20, but he's ranking well. He probably just does more volume than higher price, and he probably makes more money doing that rather than charging the higher price on the front end anyway. So with that said, I hope you guys found some sort of value in today's video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video. And again, if you want to learn more about these kind of things, making money online and offline, I recommend you hit that subscription button down below. And with that said, I'll catch you in the next video.